Good evening, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. It is Sunday, June 25th, 2023, 7:10 p.m. Now, this is a NuTone industrial paddle fan, also known as a Proline 1, or as Rock and Reed 97 calls it, a Honey Smacks frog. Now, this is brand new in the box from I believe 1987, but I'll double check on that. It has 4 straight tipped blades, and that's in contrast to the 56-inch, the model, the Proline 1 that had curved tipped blades. You can see the fan in there. It even has the mounting bracket with a J hook. And here we have the motor. There's a sticker that says K87. That indicates that it was, I'm assuming, manufactured in 1987. Seems about right. And here's the tag. Not sure if you can see that or not. Lots of silica gel and a couple of these screw covers. Not sure what the third one is, but there we go. There's actually a couple, yeah, they're inside. That's about it. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.